3, 2, 1, go! Alright, here we go. Match number 52 underway here on Galileo. It is autonomous. Huge flurry of fuel cells by the Blue Alliance and the Red Alliance as well. It's very tight here in this autonomous. Both teams are going to go over 100 points here in autonomous. Let's see who wins. It's tight. Oh, and Red takes it at the very end. 151 points. Nicely done. Quick blurb of more fuel cells by the Red Alliance during their transition, and now Blue works on shift 1. There up goes active in shift 1. Blue taking a lead. They're up about 30 points. Now about 40. They're still trying to build it in this shift 1 where their hub is active. We go into shift 2. The red hub is active. They've got about a 50-point deficit to collect and to recover from. They do. They've got a lead of about 50 points, 60 points. We've still got some more time to go here in shift number 2. So red building a nice lead of about 90 points. And the Blue Alliance now goes active. Their hub is on. And Blue sending those fuel cells up and into the Blue hub. We've got a minute to go, and we've got two teams right around the 350-point mark. It's going to be a high-scoring game. Both alliances keep this up. We're going to be pushing toward new high score. Let's see what happens. 3/4 of a minute to go. Red now over 400 in shift number 4. Still got a few seconds in shift 4. Red up to about 460, 470 here. We enter into the end game. The crew from the Blue Alliance putting in a ton of balls, and they go over 400. We got under 20 seconds to go. 516 on the red side, 475 on the blue side, and we got 12 seconds to go. They're both going to be over 500. 6 seconds now. 4, 3, 2, 1.